If you've ever opened a file in Photopea and seen the message unknown file format, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a really common issue when the file extension is wrong, the file is corrupted, or Photopea simply can't decode the format as uploaded. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to check the file, reopen it properly, and convert it if needed so you can get back to editing fast. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is check the file extension and the actual format of the file. Photopea supports a lot of formats natively, including PSD, AI, INDD, XCF, Sketch, Figma, PDF, RAW, SVG, PNG, JPG, WEBP, GIF, and TIFF. But if your file has no extension at all, or if it ends in something unusual like .tmp, .dat, or .bin, Photopea may not recognize it correctly. In that case, try renaming the file so it ends in a more common extension like PSD, .png, or .jpg, then open it again in Photopea. Sometimes the file was saved correctly, but the extension got changed or removed, and that alone can cause the unknown file format error. Next, make sure the file is not empty or corrupted. If a download was interrupted, the file may be damaged or saved as 0KB, which Photopea obviously can't open. On Windows, right-click the file and choose Properties. On Mac, right-click and select Get Info. Check the file size carefully. If it says 0KB or looks much smaller than expected, the file is probably incomplete. In that case, the best fix is to download it again, export it again from the original app, or ask for a fresh copy if someone sent it to you. A corrupted file is one of the most common reasons Photopea refuses to load it. If you're trying to open a vector file or a PDF, try a different import method. Sometimes file open can fail because of browser permissions or local file handling issues. Instead, drag the file directly onto the Photopea startup screen and see if it loads that way. If that still doesn't work, upload the file to Google Drive or Dropbox first, then use File, Open from URL in Photopea. This is especially useful for PDF, AI, and SVG files because some files open more reliably when they're loaded from a cloud link instead of directly from your computer. Another fix that can help is disabling WebGL and hardware restrictions. Some large or highly compressed files, especially camera raw files or 16-bit and 32-bit TIFFs, may fail to decode if your graphics buffer runs into a WebGL problem. In Photopea, go to More in the top bar and find the option that says Use WebGL. Uncheck it, then try opening the file again. This tells Photopea to use software decoding instead of relying on your GPU, and that can solve a lot of mysterious file loading problems. If none of those methods work, the file may be in a rare or proprietary format that Photopea cannot read directly. In that case, convert it first using an online converter like Cloud Convert or Convert.io. For example, if you have a .heic, .ips, or an older vector format, convert it into something more standard like PSD, PNG, or PDF. Then open the converted file in Photopea. This is often the fastest fix when the original file type simply isn't compatible enough for direct opening. So to quickly recap, if Photopea says unknown file format, first check the extension, then make sure the file isn't corrupted, then try drag and drop or open from URL, then disable WebGL if needed, and finally convert the file into a supported format. One of those steps will usually solve the problem. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea and editing tips, and I'll see you in the next video.